Planning a trip to Italy and wondering how to navigate those bustling city streets without breaking the bank? You're likely looking for the subway, but in Italy, you'll need to look for the big white M on a red background, the Metropolitana. While you won't find one in Venice or Florence, 7 major cities like Rome, Milan, and Naples offer efficient underground networks. You might notice these systems are smaller than those in London or Paris. That's because digging just a few meters down in Italy almost always reveals a 2,000-year-old Roman villa. Milan boasts the largest network, with over 100 kilometers of track, making it the fastest way to reach the Duomo. In Rome, Line A is your best friend for the Vatican and Trevi Fountain, but keep an eye on the clock as service often ends around 11:30 p.m. on weekdays. If you head south to Naples, prepare for a treat. The stations there are basically underground art museums. To keep your journey smooth, skip the ticket machines and use tap and go with your phone or card. Just remember to stay alert in crowded spots like the Colosseum station, where pickpockets often look for distracted travelers. Keep your bag on your front, stay savvy, and you'll master the Italian transit system like a pro.